Sairam children. Before we start our new session today, I just want to do a small recap of what we have learned in the last session. In the last session, we saw about full moon, new moon, celestial bodies, stars, constellations, pole star, and planets. Hope you all have gone through the presentation. Hope you all understood the topics and you would have answered the worksheet, I guess. So, we will start off with today's session. We're just going to continue where we start last class, right? So to start off with the session, we are going to start with what are solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, some other celestial bodies like asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. We call it as a solar family with sun as its head. What is the solar system? The sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies like asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. We call it as a solar family with sun as its head. So we have seen now what is a solar system. So we have 8 planets in the solar system. Previously you would have heard we have 9 planets, but now they have found out that Pluto is a dwarf planet. Okay. So now what we saw is what is a solar system, how many planets are there. Now we are going to see about the sun. Sun is the center of a solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. The sun is the center of our solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. Its gravity holds the solar system together. Because of sun's gravity only, the solar system is together. The sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. The sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth, right? Now here you can see the picture of the sun in the center and other planets are revolving around it. So we saw what is this, what are planets, what are solar system, what is the solar system. Now we are going to see what are planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. According to their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune planet, so which is nearer the sun. The next is the Venus and the third planet is the Earth. Then we have Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, right? So all 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in a fixed path. So all the planets are moving around the sun in a fixed path, and the paths are elongated and are called orbits. These paths are elongated and are called orbits. So the planets revolve around the sun in a particular path called the orbits. Right? Next. So we are going to see which planet stays where now. So Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. As I already told, Mercury is the first planet. No, I have read the name as. So Mercury is nearest planet to the sun, and it takes 88 days to complete one round around the sun along its orbit. So along the orbit, it takes 88 days to complete one round around the sun. And Venus is considered as Earth's twin. Why it is considered as Earth's twin? It is because it is similar, the conditions are similar to that of Earth. So it is called as Earth's twin. Right? Now next, you can see this video how we saw like we have 8 planets now. Before we said it was 9. So and I told now it is only 8 planets because Pluto is a dwarf planet. So we are going to see what it is actually. Till August 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. Meeting of the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto, like other celestial objects discovered in recent past, may be called as a dwarf planet. So as I told you, Pluto is a dwarf planet. What is the meaning of dwarf planet? Like they have some certain criteria, that is it has to follow some criteria, it has to satisfy some criteria to become a planet. But Pluto does not satisfy those criteria, so it is called as a dwarf planet. Right? So we saw about solar system, the sun, what is a dwarf planet. Now we are going to see what is Earth. So we are going to see Earth is the third planet from the sun. Earth is the third planet from the sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. Okay, it is slightly flattened at the poles. Flattened means it is flat at the poles. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on Earth. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on Earth. So Earth, third planet from the sun, its in size it is fifth largest planet, and it is slightly flattened at the poles. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on Earth. Right? We saw about the earth. Now we are going to see why the earth is a unique planet in the solar system. The earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air which are very essential for our survival. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen. So because of these reasons we call earth a unique planet in the solar system. One more time I am just going to read. The earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air which are very essential for our survival. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen. So because of these reasons we call earth a unique planet system. So now we are going to see about the moon. Our earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the earth. It is only 1/4 of that of earth. Right? Appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It appears so big because it is near to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 384,400 kilometers away from us. Right? The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes 27 days to move around our earth. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. It takes exactly the same time to complete the spin. As a result of this only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. As a result of this spin and it takes 27 days, right? So because of this reason only we can see only one side of the moon on the earth. So we saw about solar system, the sun, the earth, the moon. Now we are going to see about what the asteroids and meteoroids. The tiny bodies which also move around the sun apart from the stars are called asteroids. The tiny bodies which all around the sun apart from the stars, planets are called asteroids. So now what are meteoroids then? The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. The small piece of rock which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Okay. So you would have heard in news channels also some about the meteoroids, right? Next, we saw about meteoroids and asteroids. Now we are going to see what are galaxies. The Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. What is a galaxy? A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. Okay. So now we have seen about solar system, the sun, the earth, the moon, what are meteorites and asteroids, and also about galaxies and universe. Now I want you to find out the answer for these questions. I'll help you to read out first. What is a solar system? How many planets are there? What is an orbit? Why Earth is called a unique planet? What are asteroids and meteorites? What is a galaxy? So I want you to answer these questions. A worksheet will be given. I want you to find out the answers and finish it up, right? And you have an activity. I want you to prepare a chart for the solar system. So you have to prepare a chart, and the things required also is given. Hope you all understood the concepts, and make this chart and also answer the worksheet. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.